Hello kids! Today we'll learn to make some healthy, delicious smoothies. We will need some milk, protein powder. We'll also need some vegetables like carrots and kale. We will need some fruit like banana, strawberry, pineapple, and mango. And on the other side, we have the recipes to make the smoothies. Strawberries and cream, sweet greens with kale, pleasing protein, and orange yummy. Here's the protein powder we'll use for our smoothies. And it gives us all the nutrition facts. We also will be using some milk, low-fat milk with a cow on it. We need a knife to cut the fruits. We also need a banana, a mango, a pineapple, a carrot, a strawberry, and kale. Let's assemble the blender and make sure it works properly. It looks like it's working just fine. We have our cups for our smoothies and the protein powder that we'll also use for some of the smoothies. For the first one, we'll be making strawberries and cream. We have our strawberry. We'll cut it and put it in the blender. Here's another one, and we'll also add some milk. Not too much. And finally, some protein powder. And all we have to do is blend. Our first smoothie is ready. Let's put it in the cup. It has a nice pink color. And now let's close it and add the straw. The first smoothie is done. Next, we'll put a mango, a banana. Let's cut it and add some more. We'll also add some pineapple and some protein powder and a little bit of milk. And now let's turn on the blender. Let's put it in the cup. This smoothie has a really nice color, yellow. And the second smoothie is ready. For the next one, we'll be using some kale. We'll cut a carrot. And this one is a vegetable juice. Let's mix everything. And we have a green juice full of vitamins. and very healthy for you. Let's add the straw and the juice is ready. Thanks for watching and see you next time.